Hey there, this is Trucker Wayne with Driver Solutions. How's everybody today? I love the comments on YouTube. As I always say, keep them coming. So, one of the questions we get the most is pay. Always is. I've done plenty of videos about pay. A lot of times they want a concrete answer from me. Hey Wayne, Trucker Wayne, can I make $800 a week when I start out? I can't answer that question for you. I can't. I'm not you, and I don't know what company you're going to. I did all right my first year. Some people struggle, but I have plenty of videos out there that'll help you if you are struggling to keep that money flowing in. Trucker Chad does the same thing. But I'm telling you, if you need to do your due diligence. So the great thing is to reach out to Driver Solutions, fill out that online application, see my videos, Trucker Chad videos. I think you'll get a better understanding of what's expected in your first year. Trucking, as I mentioned multiple times, is a 10-year business. The more time you have in, the more money you make. So this is Trucker Wayne with Driver Solutions with a positive path to successful trucking, and I'm out.